There are a lot of trophies left. Ukrainian soldiers show destroyed Russian tanks, vehicles and other weapons near the village of Gusarivka in eastern Ukraine. As the Ukrainian armed forces prepare for a Russian attack in the east, the same situation from the north seems to be recurring. The Russian army is acting rather disorganized and suffering the same losses as in the north. Whether this is a major Russian attack or the Russians are now just testing the Ukrainian defense is not clear, but the losses the Russians are suffering are again quite large. If the day is known in the morning, the Russian strategy does not promise much. Vladimir Putin believes he is winning the war in Ukraine, Austrian Chancellor Karl Nehammer has claimed following a meeting in Moscow.
Does he believe he's winning the war or losing the war?
No, I think he believes he is winning the war. He sent me clear messages about his concerns, but I think what is necessary to confront him all the time with that what is going on in Ukraine.
Mr. Nehammer also revealed that he told the Russian president that his attitude and view is not shared by anybody and hopes the discussion made him realize what was really going on. At the end of our talks, he told me it's better the war ends earlier than later. So I think he knows exactly what is going on now, said Nehammer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.